Minecraft is filled with a lot of realms that can be used by players to connect to a server. However, some users are seeing the following error message when trying to connect to the server. Could not connect. Outdated server. In this guide, I'm going to fix the error with some simple methods. Method 1. Check Minecraft version. All players need to be using the same version release. Make sure everyone's game is up to date. Beta versions cannot play with stable versions and vice versa. If a player is using the beta and others are not, they will need to unenroll from the beta, uninstall, and reinstall. Method 2. Allow Minecraft through firewall. If the issue persists, then maybe Windows Firewall is blocking your game. If that's the case, then you have to allow Minecraft through firewall to do that. In Windows 11 and 10, follow the given steps. Open Windows Security by searching it out of the Start menu. Go to Firewall and Network Protection and click Allow an app through Firewall. Look for Minecraft and allow it through both public and private networks. Now, try joining the server. Hopefully, you will succeed this time. Method 3. Reset network. The issue can be because of some network glitch. To fix the issue, you can use some commands and reset the network. So open Command Prompt as an administrator from the Start menu and execute the following commands one by one. Now reopen the game and see if it's working fine.